So I think machine learning in general will probably have kind of two different types of roles in the digital currency space. One is going to be very similar to the way that it's used in traditional financial spheres, like predicting markets or like trying to detect fraud, these kinds of things. And in that sense, and that's more related to like the downstream applications of these systems. And so in that sense, I believe those kinds of tools will probably look very similar to the ones that are being developed today. And I'm not sure that a ton of like new innovation would be required just for the cryptocurrency space.
Right.
The other class of problems that I think are interesting are the ones that arise precisely because of how cryptocurrencies are implemented. So for example, analyzing these incentive mechanisms is a good example of that. Like for permissionless blockchains, you have to have some kind of incentive mechanism to make the system viable. But then that raises the question that like if this incentive mechanism is poorly designed, your whole system could come crashing down.
Right.
So I think those are the kinds of questions where there may be some really interesting roles for machine learning to play, either in testing the security of existing protocols or potentially even in designing new ones. I think it's a really open space and there's a lot of interesting questions to be asked for.